The long rain season that begins in March and ends in May is set to be a season of contrasts as the country has been divided in half, with the western part of the country receiving above normal rainfall, while the eastern half will receive below normal rainfall amounts. The Department of Meteorological Services says the hardest hit areas will be counties in the former northeastern and eastern province.
Counties in northern eastern, Mandera, Garissa, Wajir, these ones are likely to receive normal to below normal rainfall. That means depressed. So given the situation which is really occurring and prevailing over these areas, with the expected depressed rainfall, there should be some sort of emergency issues to be considered.
While attributing this to the changing weather patterns due to climate change, the director of the department, James Kongoti, urged for thorough planning to ensure that the public in the areas that will receive insufficient rainfall are assisted to alleviate suffering, saying that the current situation is compounded by the warming up of the southern part of the Indian Ocean. Kongoti said cyclones in the southern hemisphere are sucking the rain-bearing winds, forcing them to blow away from the country.
At the moment, the sea surface temperatures are such that we have cooling near our coast, which is the west of the Indian Ocean, and relatively warmer than average temperatures, sea surface temperatures to the east. And that does not encourage winds blowing from the Indian Ocean, carrying out of moisture and depositing in the country to generate clouds and therefore rainfall. And that is likely to delay the onset of the rains in a number of areas in the country, especially the eastern sector of the country.
Once those systems develop over that area, they deny us moisture. We don't expect the winds to blow towards our region. So that manifests itself in the dry conditions. And also along our coast, if the temperatures are also cooling, then with the eastern winds that we expect to be blowing towards our region, and when they blow towards our region, they are enhanced with moisture, are denied. They will flow towards this system.
He called on the Ministry of Agriculture to maximize crop production in areas that are set to receive above normal rainfall to ensure food security, but warned of flooding in the Kano and Budalangi areas.
Agricultural activities with the support from the agriculture should be able to be carried on without any problems. And also small aircrafts which are affected by heavy thunderstorms, they should also try to be careful.
He said Turkana County could receive some rainfall during the season, but it may not ameliorate the current water scarcity in the county, but noted that the energy sector is secure since the catchment areas that feed rivers Takwel, Tana and Sondu Miriu will receive heavy rainfall that will replenish water in the hydroelectricity reservoirs.
The energy sector, of course, they should take advantage of the enhanced rainfall and expect the power generation to be improved.
Judith Akolo, Channel 1 News Hour.